if you have had this training in a remote location for about 5 days, then I am sure that those who had come for the training program will not be going back. The same way as they had come. I want to tell you a very critical information about creativity and the way it is to be trained. Our great India has declared this 2011 to 2020 as National Innovation Decade. I am very surprised that those who devised that concept did not include National Creativity Innovation Decade, because they are a little doubtful whether creativity is that easily possible. That they are in a way right. My respected friend and great genius of India, Sam Pitroda, is the chairman, of course. But all over the world, creativity is the most researched thing today. But all over the world, there is a mistaken perception. They are thinking about training creativity. This is a very general perception. What is creativity? People say, others say this is creativity, this is creativity, this is invention, this is innovation, this is discovery. Whereas the person who has been doing it, he has not been doing a creation. He has not been doing innovation. He was just doing. So, ideally, training in creativity should be broken down to training in some particular expression of creativity. I mean, there should be training in creative thinking. No? Like what is dance? Training in creative movements of the body. What is music? Training in creative sounding, creative utterances of lyrics according to pitch and tone and rhythm variation. Training in painting, creative expression of the hand movements and observing whatever is observed. So instead of just training in creativity and innovation, for example, right now it is happening all over India in various corporations, it should be training in creative thinking, some creative expression. Get the point? So we cannot be just like the training creativity. What is creativity? Because even when you discover something, you have to think about it. You have to conceptualize it into comprehensible terms. That's why training in creative thinking is the required thing. The training in creative thinking part is a little difficult, because from very early schooling onwards, human engines of intellect has been trained to listen to ideas, complicate it and reproduce it. Okay. For example, when the questionnaire was given, you were all completely clear about it and you understood it and you responded to that. You see? So in general, people are trained to understand a given document or a given perception and respond to that. It is wonderful. That's okay. Now the world agrees that that is not sufficient. That's why creativity, innovation and all that. So there the other side is to be understood. To think, to create researchers who understood the role of thinking and created techniques of creative thinking. Edward de Bono, lateral thinking. Alex F. Osborne, the method of brainstorming. They are all wonderful, but they are all just techniques of problem solving only. Good. But what I am proposing is a methodology to train the engines of intellect of you to become creative, naturally.